Here are 5 benefits of the Baby Einstein Activity Mat and Play Gym. Number 1. It has many different toys and activities that will support your baby's development. For example, little Harvey here is 6 months old and he has recently learned to turn over. This construction with the 2 arches and all the toys hanging down can really encourage your baby to start to reach for those things, which will then support that development. The package also comes with this pillow for tummy time, which will help your baby develop their neck strength. Benefit number 2 is that the Play Gym will also grow with your child. And one example is this piano. It has these touch-sensitive areas that your baby can press with their foot or with their hand. The piano is going to play sound and teach them words, and that is going to be relevant a little bit later in Harvey's development. Benefit number 3 is that the box comes with everything you need. With some other Play Gyms, you might only get the bar and 1 or 2 toys, and you might have to go and buy the mat separately. The Baby Einstein comes with the mat, the arches, the piano, all the hanging toys, everything you need. And that means that this is really worth its price. Benefit number 4 is that the whole package is lightweight and mobile, so you can easily bring the whole setup with you when you travel. Benefit number 5 is that you will finally get a few moments of peace and quiet. Your baby is going to love playing by themselves on the activity mat while you enjoy your morning coffee. So if you find any of these 5 benefits valuable, definitely pick up the Baby Einstein Activity Mat for your child. Learn more about the Baby Einstein Play Gym with the link in the description below the video. Another excellent product for your baby is this Cybex travel stroller. Click or tap the screen right here to learn more about it. Originally, it was going to be Harvey's travel stroller, but it's actually so good it has become his everyday stroller. So click or tap the screen right there. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.